Hi there you guys, I'm Teddy from BijuTeo Beading, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to make this beautiful necklace. I will show you step by step, really easy, so I'm sure by the end of this video you are gonna be able to make it. You could skip these chains that I'm showing you here and you could make only a bracelet by adding a clasp, or when you make this longer you could make this necklace without a chain, so this is not obligatory. You could also use, instead of these faceted crystals or roundelles, round beads, so there is a great possibility for experiments. You could try them out, and if you make beautiful jewelries following this one, share them on my Facebook page. I will be so happy to see your creations. You could also help me by like, share and comment, and I'll answer to all of your questions down there in the comments. And if you still haven't subscribed, please do, and hit the bell button, because in this way you will be notified when I release new absolutely free videos. And sometimes I make matching jewelries to the ones that I have already done, and in this way you will be able to make a beautiful set. And you could also check my new merch store, and you could find links down there in the comment, down there in description, and here at the eye icon. And when you buy stuff from there, you support me, my channel and my mission. Thank you so much for watching. Now I will start with the list of the materials. Okay guys, so for this video what I'm using are 8 by 6 millimeters faceted crystals, also called roundelles. You could use round beads instead of them. And here I'm using 8/0 beads and I'm using 11/0 seed beads, and I decided to use here 2 chains, and I attached 4 jump rings and 1 clasp on them. I'm going to use them to attach the center of my necklace to them, but you could skip them and make the whole necklace only this type, and you could make a bracelet the same way. You see, you could use this here to attach your clasp and make the whole length of your necklace or bracelet like this, and skip the chains. It's up to you. And here I'm using monofilament, that is 0.006 inches or 0.15 millimeters. I'm using here pliers, and I use them to attach my jump rings, and I will show you by the end of this tutorial how I'm attaching the jump rings to my necklace, so you will see it's really easy. And I'm using here size 10 beading needle. This is monofilament, that is 0.006 inches or 0.15 millimeters. Of course I'm using scissors, and I'm going to put about an arm span of thread on my needle, and I'm going to start. Okay guys, and now I will start by taking one of these beautiful faceted crystals or roundelles. You could use round beads instead, and I'm going here with my thread through one of them. Then what I want to do is take 7 seed beads. Okay, I have my 7 here, and I'm going around through this roundel like this. Okay, here I have a tail thread, and in order to secure my work I will go one more time in the other direction through this, all of those 7 beads. Okay, I'm pulling, and I will exit here where my tail thread is. You see now my main thread and my tail thread meet here, and here I want to make a really secure knot, and I will make it by making a loop and going once and twice through the loop I've made, and then I pull, and I will also make one more knot like this. Okay, now my work is really secure, and what I want to do is go again through the center of my crystal like that. Okay, Now what I want to take are 7 more seed beads. Okay, I have my 7 here, 4 and 3, and I'm going back in circle. You see, here is my thread, going back in circle through the same crystal and pulling. Okay, now you could pull this here, and I have 7 more going back in circle. You see, now I have 3 of these rows. Okay, 7 again, and I'm going back here. Oops, here it is. And I have 4. Okay, 7, and this is 5. Okay, and this is 6. Okay, and this is 7. Okay, and this is my 8th row with 7 beads. Okay, fix it a little bit and pull. Okay, now you have this beautiful ball of beads here. Okay guys, since I have the first beaded ball of my work, here I want to attach my chain or directly my clasp. So now what I want to do is go around through all of my beads like this. Okay, then I will go through the center of my bead, of my beaded bead, and here I will add 6 of these beautiful seed beads like that. I will go through the center of my work. Okay, I have 6. Okay, and I want to go one more time reinforcing it. And in order to do this, I will choose a place here like that. I'm going through all of my 6 beads and again through the center of my work. Okay, now this is what I have. And now guys, I want to cut my tail thread here. I will take my scissors and cut it. Okay. And here is how I start my work. Okay, and then I will take one A2, slide it down, take one more crystal, slide it, one A2, okay, and then I will take a crystal and I will start my next step, which is the same like the first one. Okay, I will take 7 seed beads and I'm going back in circle through this roundel. Then I will take 7 more and I'm going back. Be sure to make this roundel stay as close as possible to this A2 here. Okay, 2 times. I will show you one more time, which is the third time. Okay, 7, and I'm going through this crystal here. Okay, now I have 3 and I will make 5 more rows and I'll be back to tell you what's coming up next. And here, guys, is where I'm adding my 8th row, and now this is what I have, and I will continue the same way, adding 1 8th row, then 1 crystal, and 1 8th row, and 1 more crystal, and after this crystal I will continue this. Okay, I have 7. I'm pulling this back to the 8th row, going around in circle, and this is my first row, and make 7 more rows and continue this until you have a longer chain, and then I'll be back to tell you what's coming up next. Okay, guys, and when I continued beading the same way, and here at the end I made a loop like I showed you in the beginning, then I made some knots also like I showed you in the beginning and cut my thread. And what I have here, if I continue this one to be longer, it could be easily turned into a necklace itself without chains, or it could easily be made like a bracelet if you just add a clasp and a jump ring. But now I'm going to show you how to attach chains and to make it a necklace. Okay, guys, and now I have my 2 chains here with the jump rings and the clasp attached. Okay, and I will show you how to attach this to your necklace. Okay, I'm opening this up like this, and here I will put this jump ring inside, and then what I do is that I squeeze back like this really tight, and now I have this, and I will repeat this from the other side here by attaching this one here, and I'll be back. Okay, guys, and when I repeated this from the other side, this is what I have. And now here I also attached a clasp the same way I showed you before. Here is the clasp, and now I have this beautiful necklace ready. So if you like what I'm showing you here and you want to see more and more videos like this, it's a good idea to subscribe and also hit that bell button to be notified for my new absolutely free upcoming videos. You could also like, share and comment, and you don't know how much you help me only with this action. And I'll answer to all of your questions down there in the comments. And if you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page that I posted below. I will be so happy to see your creations. You could also check my new merch store. When you buy stuff from there, you support me, my channel and my mission. Thank you dear guys for watching. Bye bye from me.